Hello everyone, today we're going to learn on how you can make a table in Excel. Now as you can see our Excel is open, so click on the area you want to set your table in. So for example our table will be included by names, so let's start by names. So for example this names are for our employees, so let's set their salary, so let's write salary and then set it. So put this results of ours in the table, simply select from the corner you want your table to begin from. Then long click till where you want for it to end. Then come and click on this icon, click on its right, then go to all borders. And now as you can see borders has been set. And if your outside borders thick, go to thick box border. And there you have it. So thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.